power unit, 500 watts, OCV. Got a new processor, AMD dual core. New heatsink, Coolmaster. All in total costed £170. What I've got to do now is fit an outer casing fan. We'll go here and bolt up PSU. That is bolted back in, and I'm going to fit my fan. That's everything installed: power unit, processor and heatsink. Hopefully it will start up, we'll soon find out. I've got a blue light. After installing my heatsink, when I started my computer up, the CPU fan started up, and then it paused, and the computer shut down, telling me that the CPU fan wasn't working. So I took that one back and bought this one. You can see it being installed under the video called Evo Blue Heatsink. That'll be in my profile. You get to see that being installed.